Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy Viber Out credit so you can make calls to mobile and landline numbers directly from the app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and tap on the one labeled More. This section gives you access to additional features and settings that aren't immediately visible on the main screen, and it's where you'll find the Viber Out option we need for purchasing credit. Once you tap on More, look for the Viber Out option and tap on it. This feature allows you to call people who aren't on Viber using your regular phone number, which is incredibly useful when you need to reach someone on a landline or a mobile number without the app installed. It's one of Viber's most practical features for staying connected beyond just messaging. After tapping Viber Out, the app will display various plans available for purchase. You'll see different credit packages, each offering a different amount of calling minutes or credit value. Take a moment to review these options and think about your calling needs. Some plans might offer better value if you make frequent calls, while others are perfect if you just need occasional access. Now choose the plan that best fits your needs and preferences. Once you've decided, tap Buy Now to proceed with your purchase. This will take you to the payment section where you'll need to provide your payment information to complete the transaction. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a payment method. For this example, we'll select Add Card, which allows you to pay using a debit or credit card. This is a secure and straightforward payment option that most people prefer for digital purchases. Viber uses encrypted payment processing to protect your financial information during this step. After selecting Add Card, you'll see an option that says Enter Details Manually. Go ahead and tap on this option. This allows you to input your card information directly rather than scanning it, giving you full control over the data you're entering and ensuring accuracy. Now you'll need to input your card number and all the required information. This typically includes your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and sometimes your billing address. Make sure to enter everything carefully to avoid any errors that could delay your purchase. The app will guide you through each required field. Once you've entered all your card details, tap Continue to proceed. The app will process your payment information and verify your card. This usually takes just a few seconds, so wait patiently while the transaction is being processed and your credit is being added to your account. And that's it. You've successfully purchased Viber Out credit and can now start making calls to any phone number worldwide. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.